Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best universal power adapters that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Unidap Universal Travel Power Adapter. With two options, black and blue, Unidap offers 4 USB ports for smartphones, Android and iOS, Bluetooth speakers, laptops, tablets, power banks and more. You could use the AC power socket at the same time too. With Unidap, the tech built-in automatically recognizes different types of devices. Here too, the product itself could deliver optimized electric for various devices. The tech saves the charging time. The product includes the power system such as 4 AC power sockets with max 6 amp, 4 USB ports with max 2.4 A5 volts and 2400 milliamperes. The universal adapter, as the above-mentioned product, could cover more than 160 countries including UK, EU and US. Unidap comes with a refund policy and 1-year full warranty. The product, nonetheless, could not convert voltage. Moving on at number 4, we have the HAOZI Universal Travel Adapter. HAOZI comes with 4 different colors including blue, green and 2 types of black colors. The product could charge 3 devices at the same time. HAOZI's charging process is fast. This is a good combo for all travelers. Meanwhile, you could use the USB ports and AC socket at the same time. The product fits with many devices, including iPhone 4S, 5S, 6S, 7, Samsung Galaxy S4, S5, S6, S7, Nokia, Sony, LG, HTC, ZTE, Huawei as well as digital camera, Bluetooth speaker, etc. The safety system of the products is verified by RoHS, CE and FCC. 6.3 amp fuse offers full protection for your body. There are built-in shutters too. The product has a lifetime warranty. At number 3, we have the SAUNORCH Universal International Travel Power Adapter. SAUNORCH has 4 colors including black, green, blue and blue Type C. The product combines components such as 1 international AC socket, 3 USB ports and 1 USB-C port. Because the product comes with USB-C port, it has an ability to double-speed charge devices at full 3 amp rate. The function is for tablets and phones, Samsung Galaxy Note 8, S8, Galaxy Tab series, Nokia N1, Google Nexus 6P, 5X, LG G6, etc. There is a smart IC chip, built-in SAUNORCH, so that the product could in automatic function recognizes different devices. The function is useful to offer simultaneous charging, boost charging speed and adjust the suitable current output. Thermal protection layers and polycarbonate shell are equipped within the product. The system is also certified by RoHS and FCC CE. SAUNORCH's power system is as followed: 1380 watts at 230 volts in max, 660 watts at 110 volts as well as 100 volts to 240 volts voltage. The product comes with a refund and replacement warranty for a lifetime. At number 2, we have the World Travel Adapter Kit by Ceptics, QC 3.02 USB plus 2 US outlets. World Travel Adapter comes with a 3-dimensional size as followed: 2.75 by 3.5 by 1.5, with a weight fewer than 5 ounces. Travel pouch is included in the package too. The surge protection avoids your devices from voltage spikes and surges, while the LEDs indicate whether the voltage standard of your place is 110 volts or 220 volts. World Travel Adapter comes with a small USB cable, quick charge, 3.0, 2 USB, 3.6A, and 2 USA outlet. World Travel Adapter covers Japan, Australia, US and USA's plug-in system. The adapter is not able to accommodate curling irons, hair dryers, CPAP machine and hair clippers. The brand comes with a 2-year warranty. And finally at number 1, we have the BESTEK Universal Travel Adapter 220 volts to 110 volts voltage converter. BESTEK is able to charge 7 devices at the same time. The quality owes to a 6A output, 4 USB ports and 3 sockets AC with the supporting power of up to 250 watts. Furthermore, the USB outputs are designed separated from the AC power so that all your devices could be prevented from any sorts of damages. The hardware safety system is certified by NRTL, so that the product is able to offer you a full protection. There are not going to be problems with short circuit, overheat, overload and overcurrent. BESTEK could convert voltages in various countries, for example, from Australia, 50/60ths of a hertz, 100 to 240 volts, to Japan, US, 60 Hz, 110 V. The design is compact with a 3-dimensional size as followed. 1. 57 by 3 by 6 inches. Please note that there is a 5-foot detachable cable too. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.